Rovema machine is designed for performance for the long run. Find out how to secure productivity over the entire machine life and beyond. A whole range of services ensures that your Rovema machine becomes a reliable factor in your organization. It begins with a consultation. All details of the packaging task are considered and analyzed. The environment, the market, the product, and the packaging. New bag shapes or new packaging materials, Rovema machines are open for new packaging tasks. Conversion kits play an important role for the solutions of future tasks, saving raw materials, reducing wear, minimizing energy consumption, and much more. Your Rovema packaging machine is ready for new trends ahead of time. With trainings and web seminars, we ensure that operating processes are safe and maintenance can be carried out as efficiently and independently as possible. From basic to expert, everything is included to ensure the long-term availability of your machine. Rovema Remote Service is the uncomplicated way for target-oriented communication. It helps you to save costs and time, direct analysis, problem solving, and instruction without a service technician having to be on site. We are where you are with our global service network. Our service technicians support you from installation to commissioning or application retrofitting. They are your contact persons for the instruction of operating personnel and are available for maintenance and production support. Rovema offers one-stop shopping at fair prices. Rovema original parts are high-quality spare parts, providing a perfect fit and a long lifetime. The safe haven for technical buyers and warehouse logisticians who constantly have to perform the balancing act between profitability, capital commitment, and plant availability. Rovema original parts, quickly delivered by a worldwide service network and reliable service partners. Together, we ensure your production capability. Rovema machines have a productive future, even in old age. By general overhaul and adaptation to completely new packaging tasks, Rovema machines become fit for a second machine life thanks to our retrofit organization. After the installation of modern components, they are in no way inferior to new machines in terms of performance and energy balance. Together with our subsidiary DL Packaging, we make a decisive contribution to the conservation of resources. A large part of the components can be reprocessed and all raw materials can be recycled. We can only guess what a Rovema machine must be able to do in the future, but we are already making sure today that it will be productive.